What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Appalachian Smokewagon YouTube channel. If you don't mind, smash that subscribe button for me. Today we're going to be talking about, in my opinion, the best pistol brace you can get for your AK pistol. We have a couple different examples here today, and we're going to talk about it. So if you like any of the content you see here, then share, give me a like. Definitely leave me a comment. Just say hello in the comments, leave an emoji, whatever. Just put a comment. Thank you. We're talking about AK pistol braces today. And we have two examples. We have the SB Tactical Triangle Folding Brace. And then we have the CNC Warrior also folding brace. We're going to start with the SB Tactical. It's a really good looking brace. It gives you that triangle look that you're going for with an AK. Got my steampunkish NAC 9 Draco here, but it's a really good looking brace. It gives you the triangle look. It gives you the folding capabilities. It gives you a sling attachment, quick detach point right here. It gives you a lot of features, but it's kind of flimsy, and for any kind of hard use, it doesn't take any pressure at all to pop it. So it's just not for any kind of hard use. And for what this thing costs, I've found it for right about 150 doll hairs. I looked right before I started filming, and what you have here is a plastic button with a little plastic claw right there that hooks in this little lip right here, and it's just not enough. They should have made this metal. It would have been a more solid lockup, and it's usable for like a range toy or plinking on the range, but for any kind of hard use, I would not recommend this stock or this brace. I'm sorry, I just wouldn't. I have several other SB Tactical brace designs, and they're much better. But this triangle folder, for what they're charging for it, they could have made the lockup better. They could have even made the lockup better and charged more, and it would have sold. But I'm going to do it once again. And as you can see, I will talk while I'm doing it. It doesn't take any pressure at all to make that lockup fail. And a lot of times this button, when it fails, I'm trying to get it to do it, but it does it every other time, but I'm on camera wanting it to do it, so it's not going to do it. The button kind of pops out, and I was going to give you a close-up of it, but it's just a little thin plastic button with a spring under it. It's a good idea, poor execution, in my opinion. You can just, not for any kind of hard use, just a range toy. So definitely has a lot of downsides with only a couple upsides. With the price, I would pass on this for my Draco or any AK pistol. Now let's go to the CNC Warrior brace. And let me put this out for YouTube. YouTube, we're in a safe area. This is where I work on and dry fire firearms all the time. It's a safe area. All the firearms have been cleared. We're totally safe here. So, all right, let's get back to it. The CNC Warrior brace. On your CNC Warrior, you have all metal lockup, solid engagement. You have a metal hook here and a metal hook here, and it slides up in there and goes up. And it this actually takes a little bit of break-in, a little bit of using to make it. When I first got it, it was very hard to fold, but it's getting a little better. But I would rather it be harder to get your brace to fold than barely put any pressure it on. Like I'm really pushing right now, and it's not going to fail. In my opinion, you could use this for hard use, not just on the range. In my opinion, this is the best brace system that I've used so far. I have had my eye on some of the tail hook designs. I thought about maybe getting a tail hook for this, but I think I'm just going to go back with another CNC Warrior brace. So, CNC Warrior, as much praise as I put on the internet for your product, send me one. But if not, I'll be buying one anyway. So hopefully before springtime, before we get out and start doing a lot of shooting, Gravy Train and I'll have a CNC Warrior brace on this, and that's pretty much my opinion on it. The features on the CNC Warriors: you got a fold, collapses over. You can order it to specifically go to this side, or you can get a model that folds this way. Make sure you specify when you order one which side you want it to fold to. On my AKs, I always want them to fold to this side, so I have access to my safety and my trigger, because you can shoot the firearm while the brace is folded. Mounting it's not very bad. If your AK pistol comes with a sling swivel in the back, then you already have a hole drilled. But if not, you have to drill through the back, through your rear trunnion, and you'll need to measure exactly where you want that hole to go, and then you just put a bolt through, which all the hardware comes with this. You just bolt it down and Loctite it. I've had this one on for about a year now, and it's been shot a lot and nothing's walked loose. I did Loctite the bolt, but nothing's walked loose. Everything's been solid. Like I said, it has broke in a little bit to where it's easier to fold, which is good. And then you have your quick detach sling point right here, which is great. As you can see, I have mine wrapped around the back right here, which is works better for me than the quick detach. So in my honest opinion, you're going to be better off spending your money on the CNC Warrior brace. As for prices, I found this one for right around 180 doll hairs. So you're looking at spending about 30 doll hairs more to get a way better product. So don't do like I did and get this first and then be disappointed with it. They actually have a couple models of this. They have a model that will bolt up to a Picatinny rail on the back of your trunnion. This one actually has a fork right here that slides up under your hand grip, and then you just bolt your hand grip down. Excuse me. You bolt your hand grip down and it holds it. And it is solid. The mount up's solid, but everything else about the brace is wonky. And it's just not it's a good design, but the lockup they could have put a little bit more effort into the lockup on it, because once again, I'm going to show you, it just fails so easily. So in my honest opinion, spend about 30 bones more and get the CNC Warrior and be happy with your purchase. And this thing will last for as long as the firearm lasts. It's metal construction. It's great lockup. The quick detach has held every quick detach socket I've used in here has worked. Now with this one, I have a couple quick detach sockets. Some are like the cheaper ones. They want to You turn it, bend it a certain way and it pops out. So I'm not a big fan of that. But like I said, I don't really use the quick detach. And yeah, that's about it. It's January 2025. And right now, from the products that I've used, I think the CNC Warrior is your best bet for a brace for your AK pistol. Now, I did see some stuff on the internet here just in the past couple days about how the ATF's not going to go by the court rulings, which is crazy, and say they're still going to prosecute people who use pistols with braces. But the court has already shut all that down, from what I understand. So all this is legal, and in my opinion, the NFA should be removed. Short-barreled rifles should be legal. Just because it's a little shorter, it doesn't make it any more dangerous than anything else. Everything's dangerous. Driving to your job every day is dangerous. There's a little yellow imaginary line holding you on your side of the road from someone else doing 50 miles an hour in the opposite direction. That's more dangerous than a firearm. It's not the firearms that hurt people. It's the person behind the firearm. And when people actually realize that, then I think things will get a lot better and laws can get a lot better. Are we headed in the right direction with gun laws? For the most part, I think yes. But we'll have to see how time plays out and what happens. But that's about it. I just wanted to show you the brace, which the best I can't talk. The best pistol brace, in my opinion, right now in January 2025, and that's the CNC Warrior brace. I'm looking to get another one, so hopefully when we get back to the range by springtime, I will have a CNC Warrior brace on this because I actually love this little Draco Knack 9. I did some trading and got it, and I did not think that I would like this gun as much as I do, but I really like it. Stay tuned because I got a tabletop of the Draco Knack 9 coming soon too. Just a tabletop overview showing you and talking about a few of the features on it and what I've done with mine. Like I said, I made mine look a little more steampunky. I kind of like it, but stay tuned for that tabletop. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for a pistol brace for your Draco or any other AK pistol, then you might want to look at CNC Warrior brace. They're awesome. They're tough. They're stout. They work. And that's about it. Not too much more money than the cheap rubbery one. So I would definitely invest my money in a CNC Warrior brace. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting on, man? Help a fellow country boy out and hit that subscribe button. Help push us up through the YouTube algorithm. I think as much gun content that we can get out there is great for the Second Amendment. There's so many guns in the United States, and with all the troubles going on in the world today, who knows when you're going to need to defend yourself or your family or your neighbors or whatever. Just shoot your guns, get your feet on dirt, know your zeros, have your gun zeroed, and that's about it. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for future content. Thanks for consuming my content. Thanks for all the comments. I really appreciate every one of the guys and gal, because I think I got like 0.01% girls watch my channel. And that's probably my wife is the 0.01% that watches my channel. Thanks to everyone. I really appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for more content. Smokewagon out.